trenches. The deeper landforms which are longer, they are called trenches. Trenches are of thousands meters deep from sea level. What is the depth of trenches? It is thousands of meters. Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean is a worldwide deepest trench. Which is the world's deepest trench? Mariana Trench is the deepest trench which is in Pacific Ocean. Its deep depth is 11,034 meters. Mariana Trench depth is 11,034 meters. Submerged hills and marine trenches are most active areas. So submerged hills and marine trenches are most active. Why they are called most active? Because active volcanoes are there. These areas are also called earthquake prone areas. When earthquake and volcanoes occur in the ocean bed, it gives rise to tsunamis. So tsunamis are highest waves in the ocean is called tsunami, very danger. So these earthquakes and volcanoes are present in marine trenches, hence it is active part of the submerged land. And these earthquakes, and when the earthquakes and volcanoes occurs in the seabed, tsunamis occur. So next submerged landform is marine. We are going to study about marine deposition. What is meant by marine deposition? They are the deposition deepest parts of world. Marine deposition, it is the deepest parts of world. In this part, various deposits are found. Pebbles we can get here, clay we can get here, soil which is brought by rivers, glaciers from the continents. In marine deposition, what is there? In marine deposition, pebbles are there, clay is there, soil is there. These pebbles, clay, soil is brought by rivers, glaciers, okay, from the continents. These deposits occurs mainly on the continental shelf, and it is called marine deposits. Lava and ash also found here. In marine deposits, lava is there, ash is there. Fine soil deposits are on large scale. Remains of marine plants are there, remains of marine animals are there. Marine plants, marine animals means plants and animals which are in the ocean is called marine. So in marine deposition, remains of marine plants and marine animals are there, and these remains of plants and animals, they converts into fine clay, and these are called marine oozes. When remains of marine plants and marine animals converts into fine clay, it is called marine oozes. For understanding marine life, these deposits are very important. Scientists, they collect these deposits and study these deposits, and they come to know the marine life in the ocean. Sedimentary rocks are formed due to these sediments. Some humans induced materials are thrown in ocean. So some human induced thrown by humans, such materials are also found here. For example, sewage means human waste, solid waste, radioactive material, waste chemicals, plastics. These materials are extremely harmful, hazardous, and we get to see these all materials in the marine deposits. Okay, so these are hazardous, very dangerous materials, and these materials they are in less quantity. These materials are in less quantity, but their effect is very nonsense, very dangerous. Their effect is very bad. Let's understand what is meant by mean sea level. Depth is measured from sea level. Whenever we are measuring altitude or measuring depth, it is measured from sea level. Highest and lowest tide is considered as a sea level. Altitudes are shown by positive values. Altitudes are shown by height of land is shown by positive values, and depth is shown by negative values. समुद्र के अंदर जब हम मेजरमेंट करते हैं वो नेगेटिव वैल्यूज से दिखाते हैं, और ऊपर जब करते हैं वो पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज से करते हैं. ऊपर के इसको एल्टीट्यूड बोलते हैं, और जब नीचे मेजर करते हैं उसको डेप्थ्स बोलते हैं. So altitudes are shown by positive values and depths are shown by negative values. For example, height of Mount Everest. What is the height of Mount Everest, students? General knowledge question. 8,848 meter. Height of Mount Everest is 8,848 So we refer Chennai's sea level throughout the India. It is the standard sea level. So dear students, on screen you are getting to see India's map. Study this map and answer the question. It is the Indian Ocean. Okay, the ocean's name is Indian Ocean. This Indian Ocean submerged land. There is a submerged land, and that submerged land is Chagos Plateau. Madagascar Island is there. Madagascar Island is ideal for fishing. Madagascar is a shallow, warm and cold warm. So warm currents and cold currents meets in Madagascar Island. It is ideal for fishing. Madagascar and Sri Lanka, these are the islands. Madagascar is located near Africa and Sri Lanka is located near the continent of Asia. Andaman Nicobar Islands are the example of submerged mountains. Okay, dear students, man deposits unwanted chemicals, plastics, sewages, radioactive materials in the sea. It is very harmful for marine life. So it is very hazardous to the biodiversity found in ocean and sea. Okay, quantity of biodiversity is more under the ocean than on the land. If we will throw hazardous material in seas and ocean, it is very dangerous for the marine life. Some materials comes along the coast with the waves. Okay, they are plants, they are conches, shells, aquatic animals. Sometimes along with sea waves, some materials comes, and these materials are plants, conches, shells, aquatic animals, chemicals, metals, plastic, glass. So these materials also comes along the sea coast with the waves. So out of these all materials, which are perishable atoms and which are non-perishable atoms. Perishable atoms means the atoms which get spoiled quickly, and non-perishable atoms means the atoms which do not spoil quickly. So plants, conches, shells, aquatic animals, these atoms are perishable, and chemicals, metals, plastic, glass, these are non-perishable. Okay, they do not decay. So this metal, plastic, they do not decay. They remain along the coast for longer duration, but plants, conches, shells, aquatic animals, they get decomposed. So what are the effect of perishable atoms? Perishable atoms do not create pollution on a large scale. It becomes marine oozes. Okay, it converts into mineral oil, natural gas. All these perishable marine atoms converts into marine oozes, means either they convert into mineral oil or natural gas. But non-perishable atoms create pollution of sea coast on a large scale. So how can we control this deposition of non-perishable atoms on the coast? So plastic bottles, glass, chemicals, radioactive elements, they should not come towards the coast. Okay, it is very dangerous. So can we control these things? Yes, we should ban on non-perishable atom like plastic bags, plastic glasses. Okay, their use must be prohibited. We should not use plastic. Okay, plastic, glass, it is non-perishable. It doesn't decompose, and strict action should be taken against offenders. Those who are throwing these chemicals and plastics and glass in ocean, strict action should be taken. We should display hoardings on cleanliness of sea coast. So on sea coast we should play big board. We should display big boards that it's our duty to keep the coastal area clean. So what you will do to keep the coastline clean? So you on yourself, you also can do something to keep the coastline clean. So you can display hoardings explaining the importance of clean coast. So you have to display on the boards, it's our duty to keep the coast clean. You can arrange special programs during festivals like Ganesh Utsav, Diwali, Christmas to keep sea coast clean. So on these festivals we can arrange some special programs that how to keep the coastline clean. So students, hope you have understand this lesson. Okay, after listening video you have to read lesson till you understand the lesson properly. If hard words are there, search these meanings, search the hard words meaning in a dictionary. Okay. Structure of ocean flora I taught you in 2 videos. If you like today's video, you can press like button. If any suggestion, you can comment in a comment box. Okay, and you can subscribe to get new videos on education. Thank you very much, students. Goodbye.